So once you prepare scenes and the DVD menus right here, so let me just go around over here and add in a menu quickly. So let's just go around under edit and go to movie menu and select this out right here and click on continue. So you can see that I have a DVD menu and everything else ready right here. So let's say what I want to do is now I want to export this out as a disk ISO so I can have it safe until I want to burn a DVD. In that case, what I can do is I can go around and export out the DVD right here. So you can see that this is the movies menu. So I'm just going to go around and press done right here. And now it is ready. So now I'm going to click on export and share. So once I do that, you can see that disk is an option right here and DVD is an option. And you can choose whether it should be in PAL region or NTSC region right here. And the frame rate for the DVD depends accordingly right here. So I'm working around for the PAL region, which is 720 by 576, which is a bit more higher, as you can see, than the NTSC region. Then you can choose the format, which is basically not much difference, and you can choose the frame rate right here, which is only 1 right here. So you can go around and then you can fit the content to available space, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around over here onto disabling this, then you can go around and change around the quality to, let's say, for example, 24 megabytes per second or 18 megabytes per second right here. So bit rate right here, as you can see. So let me just go around, not 18 megabytes, but total will be 18 megabytes, or you can go around and increase the quality right here to make it 24 megabytes. You can choose the ISO disk image to be 8.5 gigabytes or 4.7, or you can directly burn it out on a disk as well, as you can see right here. But I don't have a burner in my computer, so I'm just going to select ISO image right here. So now you can go around and set the image name as, let's say, TutorTube DVD ISO right here. And then I'm going to go around and select out the destination. So I'm just going to go around over here onto my TutorTube drive right here, select it out, and then burn the ISO right here. And you can see that it is burning. It is encoding the media right here, just like this. And then what happens is that it's compiling the media right here, and it's burning burning to the ISO, as you can see right here. And that is how it will burn the ISO, and it'll save it out as a file so that you can save it later. So that is how you can go around and burn out an ISO file by using Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.